footprints in the snow. Memories, Christmas memories, they're the sweetest ones I know. Cookies baking in the kitchen, cards and ribbons everywhere. Frosty Christmas memories float like snowflakes in the air. And oh, the joy of waking Christmas mornings, the family round the tree. We had a way of making Christmas morning as merry as can be. I close my eyes and see shiny faces of all the children who now have children of their own. Funny, but comes December, and I remember every Christmas I